Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. So let's try solving this question written on the screen. What is the problem statement written over here? 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 7 plus 1 divided by 7 multiplied by 10 goes on up to infinity. So I could observe a definite pattern over here, that is 4 is followed by 4 and 7 is followed by 7. And one more thing I could observe over here is that 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 and 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 and 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. That means in each and every term, when two factors are written, they are differing by 3. The first factor is 3 lesser than the second factor, or the second factor is 3 greater than the first factor. So how it could be written by me? It is of form 1 divided by n multiplied by n plus 3. Let us suppose first number is n over here, so second number would be n plus 3 over here. Then I told you already how to break it. First we will be going to break it, then we will be going to make it. So how to break it? The greater number minus a smaller number should be written by me in numerator by taking numbers from denominator. So I will be writing it like n plus 3 is the greater number and minus n should be written by me as a smaller number divided by n into n plus 3. Guys, while doing so, what would be the change in fraction done by me? Let us suppose what we have to see, plus n and minus n will be getting cancelled over here if I will be going to simplify them, but I won't be simplifying them. Since they are getting cancelled, so the number is multiplied by 3. Because they are getting cancelled, so number is getting multiplied by 3. So I would have to divide my number by 3. So that this thing may become equal to this thing. Hope you guys would have got my point. These two things will be vice versa, means they are like equal to each other. They are very equal to each other. Now guys, how to simplify the second form written over here? I'll be writing 1 by 3 as it is, and then I can break, means n plus 3 divided by n into n plus 3 can be written by me, and minus n divided by n into n plus 3 can be written by me. What all things will be getting cancelled over here? N plus 3 will be getting cancelled with n plus 3 and n will be getting cancelled with n over here. So finally we would be going to get, if we have a fraction of form 1 upon n into n plus 3, it can be broken by me in the format of difference by writing it like 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon n minus 1 upon n plus 3. Am I clear to you? Hope you guys would have got my point. Now guys, we'll be making use of it to break the above sum. So what is the first term written in the screen? On the screen, this is the first term written over here. So I'll be going to rewrite it like 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 4. Then the second term can be written by me as 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 7 it would be. This is the second term, my dear students. Let me shed it. This is your second term. And what is the third term? 1 divided by 7 multiplied by 10. So I'll be going to write it like 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 10. What is the thing I am using? 1 upon n into n plus 3 is 1 upon 3 into 1 upon n minus 1 upon n plus 3. That thing I have used. For how many times I'll be going to use this thing? For infinite time I'll be going to use this thing. Why I'm using it for infinite number of times? Because I have infinite number of terms over here. So much number of terms you would be having, that many times you'll be going to use this thing over here, because this is the form generated by me to break the sum. And as soon as sum would be broken by me, I'll be going to get the answer. I'll be going to make the sum. So when I'll be going up to infinity, I could observe one definite pattern over here, that 1 is there, then 4 is there, then 4 is there, then 7 is there, then 7 is there, then 10 is there, means numbers are continuously increasing. So the last term means the infinite term, the very last term, I should not say infinite term, but the last term would be of form 1 upon, that would be a big number, and big number minus 3 should be written by me, because we can break every term as 1 upon something minus 1 upon something. The very first thing is 3 lesser than the second thing. 3 lesser than the second thing. So the denominator of the first fraction would be 1 upon big number minus 3, and minus sign 1 upon big number it would be. A big number it would be. So now let's try cancel out what all things may get cancelled over here. minus 1 by 4 would be getting cancelled with plus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 7 would be getting cancelled with plus 1 by 7, minus 1 by 10 would be getting cancelled with plus 1 by 10, and minus 1 upon big number minus 3 would be getting cancelled with plus 1 upon big number minus 3. So what about 1 upon big number? Guys, this would be similar to 0. This would be similar to 0. So I would be going to nullify it, because 1 upon very big number is what? Exactly not equal to 0 but similar to 0. So what would be remaining over here? 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 would be remaining. That is 1 by 3 would be the final answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Guys, thanks for watching. Keep watching. Please like and subscribe my content, subscribe my channel. Also put your valuable feedback in comment section. Thanks for your support.